In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quotes, bids, and estimates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or a seasoned user, mastering the art of creating these financial documents is crucial for managing your business effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select QuickBooks Online to ensure that you're signing into the right platform. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your username and password. Then click on Continue to access your account. It's always a good idea to ensure that you're entering your credentials correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. With your account open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see a button labeled New. Clicking on this button is your gateway to creating various transaction types within QuickBooks. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are focusing on estimates, so go ahead and select Estimate from the list of options. Next, you need to input the customer's details. In the customer field, type in the name of the client you're preparing the estimate for. Don't forget to enter their email address as well, as this will be essential for sending the estimate later on. After that, it's time to specify the estimate date and expiration date. The estimate date is simply the day you are creating this document, and the expiration date is when you want the offer to no longer be valid. It's important to be clear and precise about these dates to set the right expectations with your client. Now add the product or service you're estimating for, enter the details clearly including quantity and description so that the client knows exactly what they're being quoted for. Remember, precision here can make or break the client's understanding of your offer. Sometimes you might want to include additional documentation. If there are any files that should accompany your estimate, such as detailed plans or legal documents, make use of the attachments feature to add these. This step can enhance the clarity and professionalism of your estimate. Once all the details are accurately filled in, click on Save and Send to preview the email before it goes out. You'll then have the opportunity to add a subject line and body text to the email. Make sure your email is clear and concise, conveying all necessary information in a friendly and professional manner. Finally, when everything looks good, hit Send to deliver the estimate directly to your customer's inbox. This final step ensures your estimate reaches the intended recipient promptly. And there you have it, you've successfully created and sent an estimate using QuickBooks Online. Remember, estimates in QuickBooks are non-posting transactions, meaning they don't affect your accounts but serve as a preliminary agreement with your client. With these skills, you're now better equipped to handle bids and quotes efficiently, helping streamline your business operations.